Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a survey on Surveymonkey with password. The first thing you will need to do is go onto surveymonkey.com. From there, you can create an account for free. So you're going to tap on sign up free and you can create your account. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. All you'll need to do now, you can either choose to create a survey from scratch or you can choose to use a template or build with AI. Let's say we were to select with template, and I'm just going to select this quiz for example sake. Now all you need to do is scroll down and then you can start editing the different questions that are currently there. So you could tap on edit and you could edit the question and you can also choose the answer. After you're finished creating your survey or your quiz, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and tap on collect responses. From here, you're going to tap right where you see send survey your way. Then you'll tap on share a survey link. After selecting share a survey link, you're going to scroll down for me. And from here, you're going to see the option show advanced options. You're going to tap right there, then select password protection and you'll tap on and only respondents with the password may take your survey, and you can create the password. So let's say I were to create the password test. After doing that, you can see right there password label, so you can change it from enter password to something else if you want, and you'll see the option submit button label. You could change it there if you want. Once you're finished, you'll scroll down and you can see that it has been created. Now if I were to copy the code, then open a new tab and paste in the code. After I've done that, you can see right here, enter password. So once I've entered the password, so let me do that. Then tap on submit password. I'll now be able to take the quiz or the survey. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.